Meaning of howzat.
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 Howzat. Howzat is a term used in the sport of cricket to appeal for a dismissal of a batsman. It is typically shouted by the fielding team as a request for the umpire to declare the batsman out. The word itself is a contraction of how's that and is believed to have originated in England in the early 18th century. The result of a successful howzat appeal is that the batsman is declared out and must leave the field of play. This can have a significant impact on the outcome of the game, as each team is usually only allowed a limited number of batsmen to score runs.